When we're surfing on the internet, whether we're on our computer, smartphone, or tablet, at any time of the day, we're exposed to a lot of text content. In fact, the web itself can be considered as an immense corpus. Our semantic engine, BigFish, uses NLP, natural language processing, and is able to extract all relevant words from millions of documents, depending on the context in which they appear. Using complex statistics and machine learning techniques, BigFish can then reveal how words are connected to each other and group them into semantic clusters. A semantic cluster like fashion actually represents a user center of interest. Banking, music, sports, luxury. Hundreds of semantic clusters are created by BigFish, altogether making what we call a generic taxonomy of the web. Let's go back to our main character, now surfing on the internet. We can apply our NLP engine to the article he's reading and highlight all the words that may indicate centers of interests. From these associations of words, we understand that our internet user expresses interest in finance and also in sports. Through his various internet ventures, we'll crawl all consumed content, and using semantic matching technique, we'll build an anonymous profile with affinity indexes from 0 to 20 on hundreds of criteria. The affinity index of all users on specific criteria depend on the volume, the relevance, and the frequency of associated consumed content. A database of billions of consumer profiles in the entire world is therefore created and updated in real time. That's BigSea. BigSea is linked to BigFish via semantic matching. But BigFish allows you to go deeper than the generic level and to create your own custom centers of interest, your own taxonomy, with no limits. Let's say you work in the tourism business. You will need to go beyond the general interest for tourism to know the specific topics your consumers are actually into. French tourism or US West Coast tourism, for example. Even more, you would need to differentiate Paris museums and the French lovely countryside. The possibilities are endless and can even be completed with custom add-ons, geolocation, weather, transactions, Internet of Things, open data, etc. Where do you go from this? That's what we're here for.